Start. Challenge in this appeal is to the order dated 22nd April 2019 passed by a learned single judge of this court, by which a writ petition filed by respondent number 1 assigning the order of termination dated 3rd February 2018 was allowed. The necessary facts required to be noticed for disposal of this appeal are that the management of respondent number 2 aided school had resolved to fill up the post of peon, which was likely to fall vacant on 29th February 2008. The school sent request letter to the Employment Exchange Office on 19th February 2008 to send suitable candidates with a minimum qualification of matriculation for the post of peon. A notice was also affixed on the notice board of the school informing that the interview for the post of peon was scheduled for 29th February 2008. It is the case of respondent number 1 that on seeing the notice affixed on the notice board, he applied for the post of peon and submitted this application along with necessary documents. Meanwhile, the school issued a reminder to the Employment Exchange on 25th February 2008 to sponsor suitable candidates with a minimum qualification of matriculation for the post of peon. Simultaneously, the school was addressed a letter to the appellants herein for constitution of the departmental selection committee as per rules to conduct the recruitment process. It is not in dispute that the appellants constituted a DPC comprised of chairman, manager, managing committee, and head of school to fill up the post of peon on 28 February 2008. The interview was conducted on the date fixed, that is 29th February 2008. Respondent number 1 had appeared before the selection committee. He was declared successful. An appointment letter was issued to him by the school on 1st March 2008. In the year 2013, a complaint was lodged by one Mrs. Asha Rani to the effect that the appointments made, including that of respondent number 1 as peon, were illegal and in defiance of relevant rules. The complaint led to the inquiry committee being constituted on 24th April 2014 to probe the allegations made against respondent number 1. The inquiry committee found that the appointment of respondent number 1 to the post of peon was as per Rule 96 of Delhi School Education Act and rules. After a gap of almost 2 years, the appellants sought further clarification from the school. Since no satisfactory reply was received, the appellants herein issued a show cause notice to respondent number 1. In reply to the show cause notice, the school informed the Directorate of Education that since the peon comes under the 4th grade and advertisement was affixed on the notice board, and further since the appointment was approved by the Directorate of Education nominee, education officer, and accounts officer, and only thereafter his salary was released. It is at that stage in the year 2017 the appellants conducted an inquiry and found that the procedure adopted for the selection was flawed, as there was no advertisement in the newspaper for filling up the said post. So thanks guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel.